Well, thank you, Mayor Lane and City Council, for giving me the opportunity to speak today. I've been here before, so maybe you remember. I'm Betty Janik. I'm the treasurer of the Protect Our Preserve organization, along with Howard Meyer and Kate Conway. And I want to announce that we have established a $25,000 matching fund for Protect Our Preserve for the legal efforts from an anonymous donor to stop the development of a desert discovery center in the preserve. A notice of claim will arrive soon at City Hall, demanding that the City of Scottsdale suspend development and expenditures of public funds for the DDC until a city vote is held. No DDC and Protect Our Preserve have joined forces in this effort. There we go. Okay. No DDC and Protect Our Preserve are working together and are 100% behind this. Ms. Pat Shaler and Mr. Mike Norton from No DDC are contributing legal efforts, legal research, with a value in excess of $100,000 towards this effort. Protect Our Preserve is collecting the funds with the help of that anonymous donor who will contribute up to $25,000 in matching funds, dollar for dollar, to the Protect Our Preserve account. These funds are designated to cover the costs for our legal action to halt a DDC in the preserve without a vote. To date, we've collected over $9,000 from our supporters and an additional $9,000 from matching funds, so we're at $18,000, and we still have more matching funds if you'd like to contribute. This includes all these people, and the lawsuit is a partnership between all of us who hold the preserve dear. This includes Protect Our Preserve with Howard Myers, who's been a protector of all things preserve for over 20 years. Myself and Kate Conway, helping spread the word through community outreaches and conversations with over 5,000 people. Jason Alexander of No DDC with his timely research and FOIA disclosures, reaching over 2,000 followers regularly on Facebook. And again, Pat and Mike with their legal support, and finally, our loyal supporters. I just want to remind Mayor Lane and City Council that you've underestimated the depth of resistance. However, with the new funding and combined efforts of No DDC and Protect Our Preserve on the legal front and our growing petition effort, we will prevail, and we will save the preserve from the bulldozer. And I think it's interesting that as my husband was paging through the magazine, he found this quote, and I think it's particularly pertinent to us tonight. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has, and that's from Margaret Mead. So thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.